Next question. Which of the following is not an inventory? Machines, raw material, finished product, consumable tools. Answer of these machines. Next question. The cost of insurance and taxes are included in cost of ordering, setup cost, inventory carrying cost, cost of shortage. Answer of this inventory carrying cost. Next question. Using the principle of ABC inventory analysis to organize a store's inventory, which of the following types of item will be placed in category B? Item which brings in highest overall revenue, item which are seasonally strong seller but not consistently in high demand, item which purchase from supplier whose name start with letter B, low price item that generate low volume of sales. Answer of this item which are seasonally strong seller but not consistently in high demand. Next question. The time period between placing an order its receipt in stock is known as lead time, carrying time, shortest time, overtime. Answer of this lead time. Next question. The retail business act as a universal supplier of a wide variety of products. Multiple shop, mail order business, teleshopping, departmental store. Answer of this departmental store. Next question. These are the agent whose function is to bring the buyer and the seller into the contact. Commission agent, selling agent, broker, stockist. Answer of this selling agent. Next question. Which of the following agent is set of interdependent organization involved in process of making a product or service available for use of consumption by the consumer or the business user, retailer, wholesaler, distribution channel, middleman. Answer of these distribution channels. Next question. Which formula used in calculations of reordering label? Maximum consumption rate into maximum reorder period, minimum consumption rate into minimum reorder period, maximum consumption rate into minimum reorder period, minimum consumption rate into maximum reorder period. Answer of this maximum consumption rate into maximum reorder period. Next question. Which is not functions of store management? Preparations of receipt, arranging, inspection, procurement, inventory control. Answer of this procurement. Next question. Costing system which omits some of journal entries in accounting system is known as a in-time costing, trigger costing, backflush costing, lead time costing. Answer of this backflush costing. Next question. Which of the following is true for inventory control? Economic order quantity has minimum total cost per order. Inventory carrying cost increase with quantity per order. Ordering cost decrease with lot size. All of the above. Answer of this all of the above. Next question. The concept of EOQ related with quality, quantity, time, contract. Answer of this quantity. Next question. Which formula is used in calculations of average stock level? Minimum stock level plus half of reorder level. Maximum stock level plus half of reorder level. Minimum stock level plus one third of reorder level. Maximum stock level plus one third of reorder level. Answer of this minimum stock level plus half of reorder level. Next question. A time period between placing an order its receipt in stock is known as lead time, carrying time, shortest time, overtime. Answer of this lead time. Next question. Activities related to coordinating, controlling, planning activities of flow of inventory are classified as decisional management, throughput management, inventory management, manufacturing management. Answer of this, inventory management. Next question. Cost of product failure, error, prevention and appraisals are classified as stocking cost, stock out cost of quality, none of the above. Answer of this, cost of quality. An example of purchasing cost include incoming freight, storage cost, insurance, spoilage. Answer of this, insurance. Next question. Which of the following cannot be termed as a functions of material management? Sourcing, indenting, import and export, risk management. Answer of this, indenting. Next question. Method of costing that support creations of value for customer by accounting whole value stream rather than individual department or product is classified as economic accounting, backflush accounting, lean accounting, lead accounting. Answer of this, lean accounting. Next question. The stage in manufacturing cycle at which journal entries are made in system of accountancy is known as changing point, recording point, lead point, trigger point. Answer of this, trigger point. Next question. Decision model to calculate optimal quantity of inventory to be ordered is called efficient order quantity, economic order quantity, rational order quantity, optimized order quantity. Answer of this, economic order quantity. Next question. An example of shrinkage cost includes incoming freight, storage cost, insurance, clerical errors. Answer of this, clerical errors. Next question. SAS Material Management, it stands for Store Analysis Scheme, Store Accounting System, Stores Acquisition System, Store Analysis Number. Answer of this, Store Accounting System. Next question. Buffer stock is the level of stock, half of actual stock at which the ordering process should be start. Minimum stock level below which actual stock should not be fall. Maximum stock in inventory. Answer of this, minimum stock level below which actual stock it shall not be fall. Next question. The following classes of cost are usually involved in inventory decision except cost of ordering, carrying cost, cost of shortage, machining cost. Answer of this, machining cost. Next question. Promotion mix include sales promotion, personal selling, advertising and marketing, sales, publicity, none of these. Answer of this, publicity. Next question. Which are the three forms of sale promotion? Consumer promotion, trade promotion. Option of this, media promotion, sale force promotion, core promotion, media mix. Answer of this, sale force promotion. Next question. Which media can give 24 hours exposure to the public eye? Television, print, internet, flexboard. Answer of this, flexboard. Next question. It is popularly known as free form of promotion, advertisement, publicity, personal selling, marketing. Answer of this, publicity. Next question. Which among the following is an example of trade promotions? Coupons, sample, push money, none of these. Answer of this, push money. Which amongst the following is pull strategy? Trade promotion, consumer promotion, sale force promotion, none of these. Answer of this, consumer promotions. Next question. If company give false message to the consumer, it is known as obscene ad, subliminal ad, deception, none of these. Answer of this, deception. Next question. The strategy that encourage dealer and distributor to sell a product is known as push, pull, combinations, marketing. Answer of this, push. Creating image of product in minds of target group is called marketing, positioning, branding, popularizing. Answer of this, positioning. Next question. The process of purchasing space in media is media spacing, media scheduling, media purchasing, media buying. Answer of this, media buying. Next question. The plan that shows time, date, frequency of an advertisement is media plan, media schedule, media time, media space. Answer of this, media schedule. Next question. Series of advertisement messages that share a single idea of theme is advertisement campaign, advertisement group, advertisement cluster, advertisement series. Answer of this, advertisement campaign. Next question. Point of purchase advertisement are also known as in-store advertising, built-in advertising, green advertising, stock advertising. Answer of this, in-store advertising. Next question. A series of actions that media planner take to attain the media objective, media functions, media strategy, media policy, media option. Answer of this, media strategy. Next question. Direct mail advertising sends message through audio, video, mail, none of these. Answer of this, mail. Next question. Which tools of promotional mix consist of short-term incentive to encourage the purchase or sale of product or the services? Advertising, public relation, direct marketing, sales promotion. Answer of this, sale promotion. Next question. Which is the direct communication with carefully targeted individual consumer to obtain an immediate response? Personal selling, public relation, direct marketing, sale promotion. Answer of this, direct marketing. Next question. Which of the following promotional forms is often described as being too impersonal and only one way of communication form? Advertising, personal selling, public relations, sale promotion. Answer of this, advertising. Next question. The promotion tool that may include coupon, contest, premium and other means of attracting consumer attention is best described as being which of the following? Advertising, personal selling, public relations, sales promotion. Answer of this, sale promotion. Next question. The first step in developing an advertising program, it should be set advertising objective, set of advertising budget, evaluate advertising campaign, develop advertising strategy. Answer of this, set advertising objectives. Next question. A specific communication task to be accomplished with specific target audience during a specific period of time is called as advertising campaign, advertising object, advertising criteria, advertising evolution. Answer of this, advertising objective. Next question. Which of the following will not be one of the primary advertising objects as classified by primary purpose? To inform, to pursue, to remain, to make profit. Answer of this, to make profit. Next question. Which advertisement is preferred when introducing a new product category? Persuasive advertising, inferential advertising, reminder advertising, informative advertising. Answer of this, informative advertising. Next question. Keeping consumer thinking about the product is objective for which type of advertisement? Informative advertising, psychological advertising, reminder advertising, persuasive advertising. Answer of this, reminder advertising. Next question. Which media of vehicle or channel prefer for advertising message is transmitted to target consumer so that it desired action may be induced at the consumer level? Advertisement media, advertisement copy, advertisement layout, teaser advertisement. Answer of this, advertisement media.